Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this new case I've designed for the LCD display of my Ender 3 Pro. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to install it. The first thing we install is this small support. We're going to place it on the back of the screen, the bottom part. Here I have put two groups of holes. These two are for the left mount and these two are for the right mount. So I'm going to install it, for example, on the right mount here. I just place it and I take two screws. Now I place it here and I put the nuts. There it is. My mount is installed on the back of the LCD case. Now I'm going to put this LCD in its casing. You place it like this. Here you have two options. Either you put 4 screws here or you just leave it as such, and then after placing the back cover you can put the screws here, and that's what I'm going to do. I can put 3 screws. There it is. My screws are done. I can put my button. Now these small caps, they are used to cover the non-used pin. On my print I use this side, so I'm going to cover the others. Now this mount here is placed in this hole. This mount I place it on the frame here, push it inside, and this part of the support will be inserted in this hole like this, and you're good to go. Now if you look carefully here, we have a small pin here. It is that pin that goes into these grooves here. Here we have many grooves. Now that pin goes into that groove. It allows me to orientate my screen to a certain angle. For example, I can place it like this, or I can place it like this, or I can turn it this way, etc. You can place it any position you want by putting the pin in the right groove. There it is.